Yoga techniques to boost immunity to prevent coronavirus. Om Shri Patanjali Maharishi Devaya Namaha. Let's begin our yoga section by chanting Yogasana mantra. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirascha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. Today in our yoga section, let us perform some super effective exercise to keep our immune system strong to prevent coronavirus. Immune system is a large and organized network of cells, tissues and body organs that protect the body from germs, viruses and microorganisms. Not only diseases are diagnosed through yoga, but many physical and mental problems can also be overcome by adapting it. Yoga for immune system communicate new energy in life by strengthening the immune system. When there is physical and mental balance, our immune system will be strong. Immune system is our body fighting ability, the system that determines how strong we are, how resilient our system are to fight such infections that are going around. We have lot of lymph nodes all around the body that are the centers where fighting happens between the invaders and white blood corpuscles. Lymphatic fluid is circulating all around the body 24 into 7 that carry unwanted things away from our cells. There are several lymphatic organs present in our immune system. They are tonsils, thymus, appendix, bone marrow, spleen. All work together to keep our immune system strong. Lymphatic system has no pump. Movement is so important. Movement is medicine. When we move, our muscles act as pump for lymphatic fluid to flow all around the body. And so there is exercise we are going to do now or different pumps at different area of body to keep the lymph flowing throughout. There are 7 types of lymphatic pump exercise. Let us perform one by one. There are more lymphatic nodes present around the ears. Sit comfortable in Sukhasana. Now hold your earlobes with your index finger and thumb. Now pull the ear up and down. Repeat this practice for 2 minutes. Second lymphatic pump exercise is cycling our ears. Sit comfortable in Sukhasana. Now hold your ears with your fingers and rotate your ears clockwise 5 times, followed by 5 times in anti-clockwise. There are more lymph nodes around our neck and armpits. Now let us do shoulder pump. Now inhale deeply and raise your shoulder up. Exhale completely and now pump your shoulders up and down. In the center of our body is pressed diaphragm, which acts as a great pump. Let us give some movements to diaphragm by performing Kapalbhati Pranayama. Gently adapt Vayu Mudra in your fingers. Now take a deep inhale and exhale completely. And exhale forcefully through your nostrils. Repeat this practice for 25 times. Now let us give some movements to our tummy by performing Agnisara. Now inhale deeply and exhale completely. Now hold your breath. Such as succession is around in your tummy. Now move your tummy in and out. Continue this practice for 5 times. There are more lymph nodes present our groin area. Now let us perform butterfly pose to bring movement around the groin area. Gently bring your heels together. Interlock your finger and hold your toes. Now slowly start to flap your both the legs. Perform butterfly pose for 25 times. There are more lymphatic nodes present in our calf muscle. Calf muscles are considered as our second heart. So let us give some movements to our heels and toes to move the lymphatic fluid up. Stand on your toes and stand on your heels. Stand on your toes, stand on your heels. Perform this for 5 times. Those who don't have stability can hold a chair. Now to bring mental balance, let us chant Mahamrutyunjaya mantra for 3 times. It removes our fear about coronavirus and bring a great mental strength. Gently close your eyes.
Om Tyambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanat Mrityormukshiya mamrutat Om Tyambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanat Mrityormukshiya mamrutat Om Tyambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanat Mrityormukshiya mamrutat
Feel the divine vibration of Mahamrutyunjaya mantra throughout your body. Now gently rub your both the palms vigorously. Place it over your eyes. Once again rub your both the palms vigorously. Massage your facial muscles, neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, thighs. Now gently bring your both the palms in front of your face. Have a beautiful smile on your lips. Now by looking at your palms with few blinks, slowly open your eyes with beautiful smile on your lips. Om Namah Shivaya. Ignite the power of yoga and Ayurveda to boost your immune system against COVID. Today in our diet section, let us see some important health benefits of Amla. It is also known as Indian gooseberry. Benefits of Amla. It increases urination and eliminates unwanted toxins. It aids in digestion and helps the body absorb calcium. It improves our immunity. It strengthens the heart muscles. It is good remedy for fever. It eliminates aging effects. It reduces blood sugar. It improves our eyesight. It promotes hair growth. It treats menstrual cramps. It balances cholesterol. It improves eye vision and skin health. It prevents aging. It increases immunity. It improves health. It prevents constipation. It improves the nervous system health, memory and brain health. It protects and cures diabetes. It improves cardiovascular health. It prevents anemia. My dear children, daily consume one amla to improve your immunity power. Now let us conclude our section by chanting Shanti Mantram. Gently adopt Namaskara Mudra and close your eyes. Sarve bhavantu shukinah, sarve shantu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschi dukkhabad bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sarvesham Subhamastu. Let auspiciousness be unto everyone. Om Namah Shivaya.